problems, okay, from the historical JE and some other sources. So let us, so today's session is a new page. Okay, I think, yeah, we saw all the concepts relating to complex numbers. Yeah, last few classes நம்ம complex numbers தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So we saw the addition, multiplication, modulus, conjugate, argument, all these concepts we have seen. So now we'll solve some more problems. We solved already a lot of problems. So this is just one more problem. A few more problems we will do today. So these are I have taken from historical IITs and sites like Byju's and also where they give specific tougher problems for practice. Yeah. Okay, so this is our first problem. So based on the concepts that we have learned, what will be the the right concept to apply here to get this product? Okay, 1 plus I into 1 plus 2I into 1 plus 3I into 1 plus so on up to 1 plus Ni is equal to A plus IB. Then what does 2 into 5 into 10 so on up to 1 plus n square equal to? Nth root. Nth root is a concept you are saying. Okay. No. Yeah, you try to solve it. I'll give you a minute or so. Bhupesh, are you getting any idea? Okay, so I'll give you a clue. Are you getting any idea and proceeding, or are you still thinking? Santanam, if you got something and you are proceeding, you please tell me. Raise your hands. Or if you are still thinking, I'll give you a clue. Santanam and Raj, you're doing it. Okay. Bhupesh?
Sir, give clue, sir.
Give clue. Okay. Santanam and Raj, what is the idea that you have? What is it doing?
Sir, I think we take modulus.
That's correct. See, what you can see is this 1 plus I, mod of 1 plus I is root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is root of 2. Okay. Similarly, mod of 1 plus 2I is 1 square plus 2 square, which is root of 5. Then next time is root of 10 and so on. So you see the same numbers coming here, 2, 5, 10, etc. Okay. So that means, so you take mod on both sides. So you immediately get the answer for this. Okay. Take mod. And this mod of Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, etc. is equal to mod of Z1 into mod of Z2. You have to write these steps. Okay. Okay, into mod of Z3 and so on. So, and we know that mod of a plus ib is root of a square plus b square. And what is this? This is your root of 2, and this is your root of 5, root of 10 into. Correct. Santana Maharaj, you are right. Root of 1 plus n square. You simply square on both sides, you will get 2 into 5 into 10 into, up to 1 plus n square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay. Okay. So let's go to another problem. Wait a second. One moment. Yeah, I have stopped it temporarily because I needed to restart. Just give me a minute. It's coming. It's going to come. Okay. Copy, paste. Okay. So this is your problem. Okay. If z is a complex number, then the minimum value of mod z plus mod z minus 1 is what? Any idea?
Sir, for this we use property, sir.
Yes. What property? What is, how do you find the minimum value?
Sir, modulus z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus z1 plus z2. Use பண்ணுவோம் sir.
Okay. So apply that and see, try to solve it. But we are asking for the minimum value, not the maximum value. Okay. Any, did you solve it? Yeah. One. Okay.
Yes, sir. It is answer 1, sir. Minimum value.
Okay. Okay. How did you do?
Sir, I have taken modulus Z1 அதை திருப்பி எழுதிட்டேங்க சார் இருக்கிறத இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியை
Hmm.
modulus Z1 plus modulus Z2 greater than or equal to modulus Z1 plus Z2 சார்.
Hmm.
அப்போ மாடுலஸ் இசட் பிளஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கிறத வந்து ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிக்கு தகுந்தாப்புல இசட் ஒன்னுக்கு பதில் இசட் டூக்கு பதிலாக இசட் மைனஸ் ஒன் அதை வந்து திருப்பி எழுதினாலும் 1 மைனஸ் இசட்னு எடுத்துக்கலாங்க சார்.
Hmm. Hmm.
அப்போ மாடுலஸ் இசட் பிளஸ் மாடுலஸ் இசட் மைனஸ் ஒன் லெஸ் தென் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு கிரேட்டர் தென் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு 1 சார். இப்போ மினிமம்
Okay.
வேல்யூ வந்து 1 சார்.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Good. Fantastic. Okay.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Yeah. Let's go to the next problem. Santana Mariraj, you got it right? Okay. Very good. Yeah. Please work on this. Okay. So what concept you are using here? For any two complex numbers, Z1 and Z2, and any real numbers, A square plus B square into, okay. Z square plus Z square? Z1 square plus Z2 square mod, okay. Hmm. But how did you do?
A Z1 minus B Z2 mod whole square is equal to A Z1 minus B Z2 into A Z1 minus B Z1 bar, sir. Conjugate.
Correct. Conjugate. Right. So the concept here is Z mod square is equal to Z into Z conjugate. Okay. So you just apply that concept here. So this mod will become, yeah, apply that, you will get it. Plus similarly. Okay. And what is the other thing that we can apply? What is conjugate of A Z1 minus B Z2? That will be conjugate of A Z1 minus conjugate of A B Z2. And you simplify, many times will get cancelled, and you will get what Santanu Merraj said. Okay. So you get AB into, sorry, A square Z1. So the first multiplication is A square Z1 mod Z1 plus, sorry, minus AB minus AB plus and on the right side, okay. So we can do some simplifications. So Z1 into Z1 mod is Z1 mod square. Z1 into Z1 conjugate. Okay. Similarly, yeah. A Z1 plus B A AB Z1. plus. Okay. This plus, right? B square Z1 square. Z1 into Z1 into Z1 mod is Z1 mod square. So you see that these get cancelled. Okay. So what remains is only A square Z1 square plus B square Z2 square mod. Okay. Plus B square Z1 square mod plus A square Z2 mod square. So this simplifies to, so if you take common A square into Z1 square plus Z2 mod square plus B square into Z1 mod square plus Z2 mod square. So that gives us A square plus B square into Z1 square plus Z2 square. Okay. So did everybody get it? Get this answer? Bhupesh, Santan, Mariraj?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have taken அதையவே எடுத்து a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square ஃபார்முலால போட்டோம்னா ஈஸியா ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல வந்துருது இல்லைங்க சார் ஆன்சர்.
A minus b whole square இல்லையே அது mod இருக்கு அதுல. It's not simply a minus b whole square, no. It's a mod.
சார் அது மாடல எழுதலாம் இல்லைங்க சார். a z1 mod square plus b z2 mod square minus 2 into real part of a z1 dot b z2 bar. அது அப்புறம் அதே மாதிரி பிரிக்கலாம் இல்லைங்க சார்.
இல்ல 1 minute. What are you saying? This is, so let us say this is some p ன்னு வச்சுப்போம். p square q square ன்னு இருக்கு. So p square plus q square equal to you can write it as p plus q whole square minus 2pq, but again p plus q will be z1 plus bz1 லாங்கா இருக்கும். pqவும் அதே மாதிரி ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடா இருக்கும். How will it get simplified? How did you do? What?
Sir, I have taken az1 minus bz2 whole square, sir. az1 square modulus az1 square plus modulus bz2 square minus 2 into real part of az1 into bz2 bar plus அப்புறம் bz1 plus az2 squaring modulus squaring sir. bz1 mod square plus az2 mod square plus 2 into real part of az1 dot bz2 bar.
No, you cannot. You have taken that az1 minus bz2 whole mod is equal to mod of az1 minus mod of bz2. அப்படி எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கீங்களா?
சார் புரியலைங்க சார்.
You have taken the way you are saying, you seem to have taken az1 minus bz2 whole square of mod. அது வந்து mod of az1
square plus mod of bz2 square ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க.
One minute. Let me put it down. az1 ஓகே, இதை எப்படி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றீங்க? தானே கொடுத்துருக்கு az1.
ஆமாங்க சார், அதாங்க சார்.
mod whole square ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்கு. So what are you writing?
சார் இத வந்து mod az1 square plus mod bz2 square minus 2
ab
into real part of s sir. அதே மாதிரி அடுத்த ஸ்டெப்.
No, this is wrong. See, this
Okay, sir.
this is equal to whatever you have written here
Yes,
will
sir.
be true if it is mod of A Z1
Okay, sir.
minus mod of B Z2
சரிங்க சார்.
whole square இருந்தா உங்க expansion correct. But
ஓகே சார்.
but this is A Z1 minus B Z2 mod
எஸ்
is
சார்.
not equal to mod of A Z1 minus mod of B Z2.
ஓகே சார்.
So அதனால இப்படி போடக்கூடாது. Okay.
சரிங்க சார். ஓகே. ஓகேங்க ஓகே.
Okay. Okay, shall we go to the next problem?
எஸ் சார், we can go.
Okay, so a couple of equations are given. Okay, you have to solve for Z. Okay. Z minus 12 by Z minus 8i mod of Z minus 12 divided by Z minus 8i equal to 5 by 3. The other equation is Z minus 4 by Z minus 8 mod equal to 1. Now solve for Z. Okay. So if you get such complex equations using complex numbers, what you should do is first thing, okay, mod of A by B is mod of A by mod of B you can put. Okay, right. That is one simplification you can do. Mod of, instead of you don't have to simplify this whole fraction. There is a rule, mod of Z1 by Z2 is equal to mod of Z1 by mod of Z2. That you can apply. Okay. So the first equation you can write as mod of Z minus 12 divided by mod of Z minus 8i equal to 5 by 3. Okay. And then what? So you have to assume Z equal to X plus IY. Okay. Square both sides. Okay. Square both sides. What you'll get? Okay. So this is equal to Z minus 12 into Z minus 12 conjugate. What next? So minus 12, right? So what is mod of Z minus 12? Because this is real number, right? There is no complex number. So mod of, okay. conjugate of z minus 12. So you have to take z equal to x plus iy. Okay. Take z equal to x plus iy. Then this will become sorry. This is equal to 25 by 9. So this will be, it's not helping us much, right? By that substitution of mod square equal to this one, that is not helping us much. So you can simply take mod of z minus 12 divided by mod of z minus 8i, right? Equal to x plus iy minus 12 divided by x plus iy minus 8i mod. So and what is the numerator now? X minus 12. This is equal to 5 by 3. X minus 12 whole square plus y square root of the real part and imaginary part. This way you take. Okay. And here it is x square plus I into y minus 8. So y minus 8 is the imaginary part. Now you have to square. Now if you square, what you are getting? X plus 12, x minus 12 whole square plus y square divided by x square plus y minus 8 whole square equal to 25 by 9. So this is one equation in x and y that you are getting. Same way you have to get another equation in x and y using the other equation. Okay. So then you can solve it. Let's try the other equation, what you get. Okay. Z minus 4 by z minus 8 equal to 1. Mod of this is x minus 4 whole square plus y square divided by x minus 8 whole square plus y square. So since it is given equal to 1, this is giving us a straight solution more easily. Okay, so what this is giving us is x minus 4 whole square plus y square equal to x minus 8 whole square plus y square. So y square get cancelled and you get x minus 4 whole square equal to x minus 8 whole square. So if you take square root on both sides, you'll get x minus 4 equal to plus or minus x minus 8. X minus 4 cannot be equal to x minus 8. So it has to be 8 minus x only. So x minus 4 equal to 8 minus x. And that gives us 2x equal to 4 or, right, 2x equal to 12. 2x equal to 12 or x equal to 6. Okay, now you can substitute x equal to 6 in the first equation. This is your first equation. So substitute x equal to 6 in this and you can solve for y. Okay. I'll give you a couple of minutes. Just solve for y and see what you get for y. We'll write the equation here. Minus 12 whole square plus y square divided by x square plus y minus 8 whole square. (25 by 9). So in this you substitute x equal to 6. You'll get a quadratic equation in y, which you can solve. So this will give us 6 minus 12 minus 6 whole square. I will straight away put it 36 plus y square divided by, again the x square is 36. So 9 into 36. (25 into 36). Okay, 24 into 64 into 25 is 1600. So take everything to the right hand side. So 25 minus 9, 16y square minus 400y plus 900 plus 1600, 2500 minus 324. Okay. So I think all are divisible by 16. So divide by 16. ஒரு பதினாறு 97 57 48 96 6. Y square minus 25y plus 136 equal to 0. This is 25. 136 is 17 into 8, right? So y equal to 8 or 17. So we got x equal to 6, right? X equal to 6, y equal to 8 or 17. So the number is either 6 plus 8i or 6 plus 79. Okay, Bhupesh Santanamaraj.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, very good. Okay. So now Z1 equal to 10 plus 6i, Z2 equal to 4 plus 6i. And Z is a complex number such that arg of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 equal to pi by 4. Then the value of Z minus 7 minus 9i mod is what? Okay. Okay, so please work on it. So I'm waiting for you to work for some time. So here, what is the concept? Arg of, let us say, Z1 is Z1 by Z2. I'm just taking. Arg of Z1 by Z2 is what? What is the formula for, how can we simplify arg of Z1 minus Z1 by Z2 equal to? Minus, okay? So this is the concept here. Arg of Z1 by Z2 is equal to arg of Z1 minus arg of Z2, okay? So use that and try to solve this. போட முடியுதா ரெண்டு பேரும் பூபேஷ் சந்தானமராஜ் ட்ரை பண்றீங்களா?
எஸ் சார், ட்ரை பண்றோம் சார்.
ஓகே. You take z equal to x plus iy. Z1 is given as 10 plus 6i. Z2 is 4 plus 6i. So you find out arg of z minus z1 and arg of z minus z2, find the difference and equate it to pi by 4. So if you're getting each step, you can tell me what do you get for arc of z minus z1? So by arranging the terms, you get it as arc of x minus 10 plus I into y minus 6. And what is this? Correct? Tan inverse of y minus 6 by x minus 10. Same way you find out arc of z minus z2 and tell me what you are getting.
Sir, x minus 4 plus I into y minus 6.
Okay, very good. So, and therefore, so what is the arc value? Arc of that? Tan inverse of
Y minus 6 by x minus 4.
okay, very good. Y minus 6 by x minus 4. Now, now we have the equation is arc of z minus z1 minus arc of z minus z2. Okay, that is equal to pi by 4. So arc of this is equal to tan inverse of now what is the formula for this tan inverse of A minus tan inverse of B is equal to tan inverse of, if you want to get it in terms of a single term, what is it? This is equal to tan inverse of tan inverse of A minus tan inverse of B is what? Is tan inverse of
Tan inverse of A minus B by 1 plus A into B.
very good. A minus B. This is very A minus B by 1 plus AB. Now if you take tan on both sides, you will get like this. To 1. Tan of pi by 4 is 1, right? Okay, so you now get those equations y minus 6 by x minus 10 minus y minus 6 by x minus 4. Okay. Now you multiply all the terms by x minus 10 into x minus 4. This will become y minus 6 into x minus 4. Okay. So even though it is looking like a complex equation, if you actually do it, many terms will get simplified. Okay. So this y minus 6 into x minus 4 minus y minus 6 into x minus 10 is what? Simply y minus 6 into x minus 4 minus x minus 10. That's all. Okay, then this is equal to x square minus 14x plus 40 plus y minus 6 whole square. So this is 6. Okay. What are they asking for? The value of z minus 7 minus 9i. Okay. So you can write it as x square minus 14x plus 40 plus y minus 6 whole square minus 6 into y minus 6. This is equal to 0. So here also you see you have a room for simplification. That is x square minus 14x plus 40 plus again you take 1 y minus 6 common. This becomes y minus 6 into y minus 6 minus 6. Okay. So this is what you get. This is equal to 0. So and what they are asking is mod of z minus 7 minus 9i. X plus iy minus 7 minus 9i, that is equal to x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square root. This is what they are asking for, right? So this is what they are asking for, and you see that x square minus 14x, y square minus 18y. So they are all, appearing in this first equation, right? Which is going to become 0. X square minus 14x plus y square minus 18y plus 112 is 0. Okay, so we have to write it in that form. That's all. Root of x square minus 14x plus y square minus 18y plus 113 இருக்குது இல்லையா plus 130, 49 plus 81. This 130 we have to write it as, this is 112 here, right? 112 plus 18. And you see that x square minus 14x plus y square minus 18y plus 112 is equal to 0 from the first equation. So that is how it simply becomes square root of 18. Okay. So did you all get it?
Yes, sir. 18 வந்து 9 into 2 பிரிச்சோம்னா 9 3 ஆயிரம். இப்போ 3 root 2 வரும் சார்.
Very good. Equal to 3 root. Yeah. Santanu Miraj, did you get it? So, these complex number problems are all like, this kind of manipulations, like algebraic problems only. So, there's nothing beyond, these formulas that we have for this modulus and conjugate. So, it's just applying these formulas and solving some algebraic equations. அது மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும் எல்லாமே. Okay. So, let's do one more problem. Is today's problem number 5 or 6? 5. Missed anything? It should be 6, I think. Because we started from 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. Okay. So this problem is imaginary part of z plus 1 by z plus 2 is given as 1 by 5, and mod of z plus 2 is given as 1. Then find the value of real value of z plus 2 conjugate. Okay. Please try for some time. Let's try. You should be able to solve it. Again, same way. Okay. Z in these kind of equations, you have to take z equal to x plus iy. Okay. So tell me if you have done something, you can share with me. So how do you find imaginary component of x plus iy plus 1 divided by x plus iy plus 2? You have to multiply numerator and denominator by its by the denominator's conjugate, to get this in real and imaginary form separately, to separate out. So you have to multiply the both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator. So please do it. Minus IY. So what will be the real part? I mean, when we multiply x plus 1 plus iy into x plus 2 minus iy, we can write the real and imaginary part separately. Numerator will now be real because multiplying a number by its conjugate, so it's going to become real. So this one will become x plus 1 into x plus 2, one real part. I'm taking this as one unit. This is like a bracket I am using, okay? Now x plus 1, then again iy into minus iy is minus I square y square, which is plus y square. No, minus 1 I square. So these all go into the real part. And what go into the imaginary part? X plus 1 into iy. Plus x plus 2 into iy. Okay. X plus 1 into minus iy. Sorry, this is minus iy. So I'm putting minus I. I'm bringing I outside, okay? X plus 1 into minus y plus x plus 2 into y into I, okay? So I separated out the real and imaginary components. Whole divided by, this is x plus 2 whole square plus y square. Okay. Now you see this part, okay, is the real part, and this part is the imaginary part. So you can write only the imaginary part now. Imaginary part of this whole thing will be simply x plus 1 into minus y into x plus 1 plus y into x plus 2 whole divided by so this is simply minus y into, so you can take y into, okay, minus x minus 1 plus x plus 2. So simply it is numerator is y, because y into minus 1 plus 2, y into 1. So the imaginary part of this whole thing that we have simplified, it is coming to y divided by x plus 2 whole square plus y square. So did you all get it? At this stage I want to stop. Bhupesh and Santana Meriraj, tell me if you have got this.
Yes, sir. Now only I get.
You're getting it, okay. What about Santana Meriraj? Okay, so we got this step. Next step is this. We'll stop here and we'll look at the next given. Z plus 2 mod equal to 1. z plus 2 mod is same as square root of x plus sorry, mod of x plus y plus 2, or mod of x plus 2 plus iy. That means square root of x plus 2 whole square plus y square. This is given as 1. So you see, so this thing it's given now because of mod of z plus 2. From that we can, that is more or less equal to this because the square of this. So x plus 2 whole square plus y square will be square of 1, which is again 1. Okay. So this denominator becomes 1. So y by 1, that is y equal to 1 by 5. So we've got y equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So one thing we have got. Now try to get x. So here itself you can substitute x plus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 1. So you substitute for y, so you will get x. Right? So substitute, and can you tell me what you are getting for x? Y square is 1 by 25. So you can write 24 as 2 root 6, right? 4 into 6, no? 2 root 6 divided by 5. So x plus 2 is plus or minus 2 root 6 by 5. So x equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 6 by 5. So two values are there for x now. Minus 2 plus 2 root 6 by 5, minus 2 minus 2 root 6 by 5. So we got x and y. So we got z now. And what are they asking for? Real value of z plus 2 conjugate. Right? That's what they're asking now. Real component of z plus 2 conjugate. And what is that? Real value of z plus 2 conjugate. Real value of so x plus 2 plus iy is the number. So its conjugate is going to be x plus 2 minus iy. And what is the real value of this? Is simply x plus 2. So what they are asking is x plus 2. So we already got x plus 2 value for x plus 2. 2 root 6 over 5 plus or minus 2 root 6 over 5. So that is what they are asking for. Okay. So x plus 2 or real value of z plus 2, real value of z plus 2 conjugate equal to x plus 2, which is square root of 2 plus or minus 2 root 6 by 5. That's what we have got. Plus or minus 2 root 6 by 5. Bhupesh Santanam, did you get this?
Yes, sir. I have got.
Very good. Very good. Okay. What about Santana Mariraj? Think I've got one more problem for the day. Or okay. Two more problems. So we have very little time now. When are you writing the JEE? When is it scheduled for both of you? Bhupesh, when is it for you?
Sir, I can't understand, sir.
When is your JEE? This week it is coming, no? When
Sir,
is
day
it?
after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. That's what I
Yes,
asked.
sir.
What about Santana Mariraj?
Sir, that boy has next week.
29th.